could trace my name in the fog on your window, laugh for a second, then wipe it away. Your sweater draped on the back of my chair still smells like September and cut up cassette tapes. We were soft as the dust on my old books, careless kids in a town that never shook. You said, promise me we won't fade like this town. I crossed my heart, then I let you down. Moonlit Polaroids spilling on my bedroom floor. Every frozen frame pulls me back to you once more. We were out of focus, but the feeling was so sure. Moonlit Polaroids, I'm still standing in that door. Bare feet, cold towels, midnight in your kitchen, cherry lip gloss on a chip white mug. You hummed a tune, out of time, out of rhythm. I fell in love with the way you messed it up. I still talk to the ghost in your night call, see your face every time that my phone stalls. You said, promise me we won't fall out of tune. The line went quiet, I lost you too soon. Moonlit Polaroids spilling on my bedroom floor. Every frozen frame pulls me back to you once more. We were out of focus, but the feeling was so sure. Moonlit Polaroids, I'm still standing in that door. Oh, still let the colors run, let the edges blur.